Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making ricotta cheese. We're only going to need a few simple ingredients that you might have on hand and some cheesecloth. You're going to want to use whole milk that has not been ultra pasteurized, because then you're not going to get any cheese at all. You can use this ricotta in place of any recipe that you already used. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the ricotta cheese, you're going to need a half gallon of whole milk, a third cup of white vinegar, and a teaspoon of salt. We're going to start by adding our milk into a large stock pot, and we're going to set this onto a medium heat, and we're going to bring it up to 200 degrees. Now let's get a temp. Oh, almost there. There we go, hit 200. We're going to turn our heat off. We're going to go in with our vinegar, and we're going to cover this, and we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. After our cheese is set for 10 minutes, we're going to take a big bowl. We're going to put in a strainer. We're going to line it with a little bit of cheesecloth. And then we're going to strain our cheese into it. Just be very careful. You don't want to get splashed. We're going to let all the whey drain off. And depending on how wet you like your ricotta cheese, you want to let this sit for a minimum of 10 minutes, if up to about an hour. Now that our ricotta is drained, we have the consistency we like. We're going to go in with our salt, give this a mix, and then we're going to plate it up and get a taste. Alright, now let's get a bite. I'm going to spread some on some Asiago bread, which I will be sharing that recipe with you guys soon. Man, it's really good. It's got a nice velvety texture. It's a little salty. It's really good. You can use this in any recipe that you use ricotta cheese in. Do not discard the whey. You can use that in baking. If you enjoy what we're doing here, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Check us out on Facebook. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.